Hello, my dear friends. Hope you are fine. Tonight we are diving into the warm golden glow of Christmas lighting, a tradition that has its hearts and homes for centuries, from candle frames dancing on evergreen branches to glittering mason jar glowing softly in cozy corner. Christmas light is not just decoration; it's emotion. It's filled a story of hope, warmth, and togetherness. So it's back, relax, and let's wander through time and light up the story of Christmas. Long ago, before electric lights, Christmas trees were decorated with real candles. Families placed tiny flames or branches used method wax of small holders, a dangerous that but magical sight. Each candle symbolized light in darkness, reminding everyone of faith, life, and the hope of brighter tomorrow. During the cold winter months, imagine the gentle flickers of candlelight against the green pine. The warm soft glow made Christmas might feel scared and since the came 18th century and a few lights was born in 1982. Edward and Johnson, friends of Thomas, had a brilliant idea. He struck 80 small electric bulbs on his Christmas tree in New York City. Red, white, and blue lights that twinkle for the very first time. It was safer, bright, and magical. The beginning of modern Christmas lights. Over the years, electric lights become more colorful, more creative, and more simple, spreading from grand city display to every home, every street, every window across the world. Christmas light is not just for beauty, they represent something deeper, the light of love, kindness, and peace that shines even in the darkest time. When we light up our home, we share the light with others, reminding everyone that hope never fades. A single glowing bulb can change the feelings of space. Now let's bring the light into something simple, rustic, and personal. Messenger lights decoration. These jars once used for storing jars and pickles have become symbol of cozy handmade decoration. All you need is a messenger, a small string of fairy lights, or a tea candle, and your imagination. You can add pine cone, fake snow, dyed oranges, jets, or even teeny ornaments inside. The result, the glowing glass interior, perfect for tabletop window scale as a heartful gift, home decoration outside the home. Each messenger become a little universe of warmth and calm. So there is some unique and beautiful ideas how to make your home beautiful with messenger light up. Crafting messenger light is not just decoration, it's a mindful art. As you wrap the jute, place each pine cones and arrange your lights. You slow down your breath, you focus on movements, feeling calm, peaceful, and creative. Families gather to hang lights, decoration with tree or place glowing jet by the window. They share something instant and timeless. And remember that we are part of something bigger, something beautiful, a chain of light passed from generation to generation. So the Christmas when you see these tiny lights twinkling on trees or inside mason jars, pause for a moment, feel their warmth, remember their story because every light, big or small, carries the same messages, joy, hope, and the beauty of togetherness. May your Christmas shine bright in light and heart. I hope you like the video. If you like, so please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and share with your friends and family. Hope, and you can also visit our channel. There is lots of amazing projects especially for you. You can easily apply for your upcoming Christmas event. Keep supporting, keep watching my channel. God bless you all. Happy holiday season for your upcoming Christmas event. Stay blessed, stay strong, stay together. Love you all. Take care. Goodbye.